Jai Hind, good afternoon, my loving children. Hope you are all safe and you're all studying well. Have you all understood preposition till I have taught? I'm not rushing, I think so. A bit of it, but your homeworks are also done. I think so. So now today again I'll be proceeding with the prepositions. Right, children? And so I'll be sharing my PPT. I'd finish this verb plus in, verb plus at, verb plus on, verb plus from. I think all of you have written down in this form only in your copies and you have learned the logic. Now, prepositions with adjectives. What are adjectives? Describing words. Prepositions can form phrases with adjectives to give further context to the action, emotions, or things. The adjective is describing, like verbs and nouns. Adjective can be followed by to, about, in, for, with, at, by. They are all prepositions which are used with adjectives. I'm happily married to David. Ellie is crazy about the movie. Michelle is interested in politics. We are sorry for your loss. He is still angry at the world. Now, there can sometimes be a pattern in deciding which preposition go with objectives or for example, adjectives. There can sometimes be a pattern in deciding which preposition to go with which adjectives. For example, when adjectives have the same or very similar meaning to each other, they might take the same preposition. Frightened of, afraid of, scared of, terrified of. Indeed, when adjectives have opposite meaning, they might also take the same preposition. Good at, great at, superb at, wonderful at, bad at, terrible at, awful at, inept at. There are always many exceptions to the above, but it can help that there seems to be some consistency when the adjective have the same meaning or the opposite meaning. Nevertheless, perhaps a more general rule is that English speakers simply need to learn which preposition go with which adjective, as meaning can change significantly by using different prepositions. The whole meaning of the sentence would change. I am good at sports means I have other athletic talents. The nurse was good to my mother. She took care of her and was nice and kind and helpful. Swimming is good for health. My brother is good inside. Means even though you can't see how he thinks and feels, he is good, even if his behavior is bad. The blueberry jam will be good on toast. Will be good on toast. So I think you have understood it. So children, with this, the blueberry jam will be good on toast. With this note, I complete my explanation for your prepositions, right? And I think you have understood. Now, what do we do, children? We will be doing the exercises. Now, please join me in my WhatsApp window. And please, I'll be uh, giving you, sharing the PDFs of the questions. And children, please solve those exercises in your B notebooks. Write it classwork and please do solve it. The answers again I'll be sharing it in the another fresh PDF. Please tally the answers. If it is right, if it's wrong. Put the number you have scored at the left bottom corner in a circle. Please do it because I tell you the copies have to be maintained in a very proper way, and when I ask you to give the marks, that also I have some intention. And the 5 internal marks are from the copies. So be very, but 5 marks, they're from the copies. So be very particular with your copy, classwork, and homework assignments. And I'll be sharing the answers also. So, till then, next class again, I'll be meeting you and I'll be teaching you letter of inquiry. So, you will be present in the class with your B notebooks. Right, children? Till then, bye bye.